Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have the easiest coleslaw you're ever going to make. First thing we got to do is make the dressing for the coleslaw. Never buy dressing in the store. It's 2/3 of a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of Dijon, 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, and that's really it for the dressing. All right, let's move on to the actual coleslaw. Thing with this is this recipe is specifically designed to use a 14-ounce bag of pre-shredded coleslaw mix. Like I said, it's a real time saver. This is perfect if your company's having like a potluck or something and you don't have a lot of time. This can literally be made the night before and takes approximately about 5 minutes to do so. Then you want to add some chopped green onions. I just kind of eyeballed it here, but if I had to guess, I'd say about a half a cup. Then you want to take the dressing and put all of it into the bowl. And then just stir until everything is well combined. And I also have to apologize. During the course of this filming, my camera, which is now in the trash, started to go haywire, but I didn't want to start over. So the color scheme is a little off, but you can see everything just fine. All right, so stir till everything is coated, and then leave in the fridge to for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. Like I said, you can get this done the night before. All right, the 2 hours are up. Let's put a little serving in a bowl. And like I said, easy coleslaw. Easy as 1, 2, 3 and ABC. Perfect side dish for any barbecue. So that's easy coleslaw. Done.